Welcome to the Chasing Time English Administration Portal. Educators access their school administration portal using an email address and password. The dashboard provides an overview of the total number of active students, teachers, and classrooms. There is a menu bar on the left-hand side to access each section of the administration portal. To set up a classroom, click on the Classroom button and select New Classroom. Choose a class name and click Create. You are now ready to invite students. To invite new students to the classroom, click on Student Invites and enter a name and email address. Students will receive an invitation and instructions to join the platform. Educators can choose which courses to share with their students by clicking on Courses and enabling the selections based on their class level. Student reports are automatically generated and give educators a clear picture of individual learner progress. In the resource section, a wide range of in-class activities are available for all courses on the platform. The materials are an excellent option for teachers looking for extended speaking practice, group work, and targeted writing tasks.